How can you preview the timeline on your iPhone? Let me guide you through it and explain some things about this topic. If it's your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, the timeline might mean different things in a different context. For example, if you are editing videos, for example, through an app like CapCut or different video editors, when you are working on your project, you can see that the timeline is right there at the bottom for your specific clip, right? So this is the timeline in the context of video editing, right? So if you want to preview that, just click the plus button in whichever video editor you're using, and that's how you can preview it. But a lot of people mean something different, like the timeline of their iPhone and the locations where they have visited. And that is possible to check out as well. Like you can literally open up the settings, then go to the privacy and security, and you'll be able to check out the significant locations of your iPhone, right? So you can go to the location services, and right there you should be able to find it, and then just basically check out the situation with the location, right? So that's how you can basically get to find out more about where the phone is and, the location of your device. But yeah, other than that, you can also check out some different things like the Google Maps. A lot of people want to check out the timeline of that, so you can check out the Google Maps. As I said, tap on your profile right there, and you should be able to see the timeline in here. So this is going to be like your timeline, and it's just going to go back in a time, and it's going to let you see and discover the things that you are doing in the past. So if you want to access it through that feature or that way, this is another thing which you might have in mind. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. These are just some general things which come to my mind when people want to just see that. So I would really appreciate your feedback below. Like, let me know in the comments if you managed to find what you needed. But thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.